everyone, how are you? So today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate milk powder or chocolate drink mix, and you just need two ingredients. One is cocoa, and it has to be 100% cocoa, okay, and sugar. I'm using raw sugar. Now you can use a regular one, but if you can buy raw sugar, it's good. So for my viewers in India, you may not be able to find in your local store, especially the cocoa and even raw sugar. So what I will do is I will have a look in Amazon, and I will add the links in the description box below. Okay, so what do you need? You just need two ingredients, cocoa and raw sugar. Cocoa, it has to be 100%. There shouldn't be anything like, you go to the ingredients. Where is the ingredients? You go to the ingredients and you see here cocoa. Okay, there shouldn't be anything like flavors or taste enhancers, what else, preservatives. Okay, nothing, just cocoa. That's all. Okay, so let's begin making chocolate powder for kids. The cocoa powder, it comes in a jar like this, okay, and sometimes with a carton like this one. Now this is Cadbury cocoa, and again that says 100% cocoa. First, if you have this tin one, just open the tin, okay, just open the lid, and what do? You have to add the sugar. Here's the raw sugar, but now I'm not adding it because I'm going to show you how to use the packet ones. Okay, so what you do is you just have to add the sugar, okay, and mix everything. Okay, mix everything and close it. That's all. Your chocolate drink mix will be ready. All right, so if you're using the cocoa that comes in a packet, here is what you should do: cocoa and sugar. Okay, so you take a jar. Okay, take a jar, and then here is the cocoa. See that? Perfect. And I'm going to add about half a cup. Okay, just half a cup of cocoa. So this is what you need. Now don't worry about the clumps. Okay, we can fix it. And into the box. So this is totally 1 cup. And slowly break the pieces. Okay, so now you can see it's almost fine. To this I will add about 1/4 cup of raw sugar. This is raw sugar. And now if you want you can powder it, but I'm fine adding this coarse ones. And that's all. That's it. That's all. Chocolate mix ready. Yes, it's that simple. It's very easy. You don't need anything else. It's just the pure cocoa. Now if you want you can add more sugar, but my daughter, she's fine with this amount of sugar. This is what I usually give her. I give my sugar. She just likes the chocolate flavor, so I'm happy with it. So if you want more you can add some more, like a tablespoon more. Okay, so there you go. You have a nice homemade chocolate milk powder. You see that it's very easy to make. What you need is only this cocoa and sugar. All right, so there you go. Hope you will make for your little ones. They're going to love it. Especially the fussy ones. So now you can make hot and cold drink. Okay, so the hot milk, what is that, the hot chocolate, I usually make during winter. Now it's winter here, so the evenings I give her some hot chocolate. She really loves it. And for morning and night it's just plain milk. Okay, so that's all. You mix everything. And how much do you add? You just have to add about half a teaspoon. Okay, don't add more because cocoa is really strong and it can be bitter. Okay, so you don't want to like do too much, and if you're going to add more once and next time if you're going to add little, they're like, I don't want this. There is no chocolate in it. Okay, so try to add like half a teaspoon. Okay, and I will show you how to make hot chocolate. That's very easy, and you can also make cold shake. Okay, so I will show you both. So after that, just close it. That's all. You have a nice hot chocolate drink, and look at this cute jar. This is so cute. And I also got this cup. I'm going to make the chocolates in this one. It's really cute kitty. Okay, there you go. Okay, so to make this hot chocolate, what do you need? You need 1 cup of milk. Okay, and the hot chocolate drink mix we made. Okay, so I'm going to add just 1 spoon of the small spoon. You can see it's a small teaspoon. Okay, that's all you need. And now what do? You have to mix it slowly. You can see here. But don't worry about the small pieces. Okay, it will dissolve when it starts heating. So next thing, what do we do? So next thing, you have to heat it. Turn the heat to high. Okay, and you have to bring it to a boil. So you can see it's heating up. Keep stirring. Okay. So now it starts boiling. Now you have to off the heat. It's all and let it rise up. And mix for just 1 more minute. Okay, mix for 1 more minute. And pour into a cup. And that's all. Hot chocolate ready. Pour into a cup. So hot chocolate ready. So good. Okay, so that's the hot, and let it be here. Now I'm going to show you the cold shake. Okay, it's very simple. For the cold one, what do you need? You need 1 banana, 1 cup of milk, and a teaspoon of the chocolate drink mix. Okay, add the banana and 1 cup of milk and the chocolate drink mix, 1 teaspoon. That's all. And if you want, you can add some almond powder. Okay, this really adds a nice flavor. This is optional, but if you want, you can add. And here I am drinking. So I'm going to blend it. And ready. So, okay, so here we have our milkshake, chocolate milkshake, and oh, there we go. This is so good. Anything chocolate. Yeah. Or see much here. Closer. Yummy. There you go. So my daughter should be here in half an hour from kindy, and her chocolate shake is ready. Okay, so hope you will make this hot chocolate drink mix, and the hot one and the cold one. So do let me know the comments, and any questions just ask in the comment section. Okay, that's all. So I will talk to you in another recipe. Not in all recipes, okay, in some recipes like this, if you want to know some detail like where to buy and how to make. Okay, that's all. So see you. Bye. I finished. Okay, so now let's see what we have in Amazon.in India, right? Amazon India. What do we have? Let's type in cocoa powder. Cocoa powder, if you want, you can add unsweetened. Yes, we want the unsweetened one. And let's see. Oh, they have this urban platter, Hershey's, Cadbury. What is this? Looms, Hints cocoa powder. Okay. So let's see this Hershey's cocoa powder, 225 grams, natural, unsweetened. It's coming. Okay, natural, unsweetened, 100% cocoa. You see that? It says 100% cocoa. You can see the reviews. Okay, rich and tasty for a perfect cup of hot chocolate. Yum, awesome, responsible, the best cocoa. Okay, this has a good review, so you can buy this Hershey's cocoa, 100% cocoa powder, and just make it. You can buy. Let's see what we have. There is another one, Looms and Views natural cocoa powder from Kerala, unsweetened. Looms and Views. Package contents 400 grams, 100% natural cocoa. Highest quality cacao beans. And there's the ingredients. Ingredients totally worth it. Better than others. Wonderful. Not like Cadbury cocoa. Okay, superb. No, there is also bad reviews. Quality not up to the mark. I won't recommend this product. Simply superb. So you decide which one you like to buy. Okay, so what you need is 100% cocoa. Okay, let's see this Cadbury red one. Cadbury pure cocoa powder tin, unsweetened, 3.5 stars. So reviews. Cadbury's magic, old stock near to expire. Okay, so I think you can buy this one as well, right? Cadbury cocoa. And there is another one, Hints cocoa. Hints cocoa. Okay, what does it say? Hints cocoa. Let me see. Hint products. So mostly good reviews. So you can also buy this one, Hints cocoa. Okay, Hints cocoa, Looms and Views, 100% pure natural cocoa, or Hershey's cocoa. Now I will add all these links in the description box below. Okay, so you can choose which one you want to buy. Okay, so now let's see what we have for raw sugar. Raw sugar. Okay. Let's see the sugar brand. Satvik, the health store, organic unrefined sugar. You can buy this one if you want. So what is this one? Kolu. So the reviews, it says excellent, alright, purity and faithful flames. Okay, good product, good stuff, good, it's natural. Okay, so if you want, you can go with this one, or raw sugar, cane jaggery powder, Bagheera Naturals cane sugar, Naturals cane jaggery powder. So you can also use the jaggery powder, okay, if you don't want the brown sugar, then it'll be fine. Will taste good, like a nice caramel taste. 3. Sugar in the raw sugar box. Okay, see the raw sugar. Natural cane turbinado sugar. Turbinado sugar has been grown in the tropics for a delicious hearty taste. The reviews, it says powder size is bigger than normal, dissolve is longer than my expectation, good stuff, good product, exactly what I wanted. So it's up to you. So I'll add all these links in the description and you can choose which one you want to buy. Okay, so Biggie Rock, Hulu, Urban Platter, or Sitagiri, whichever you like.